At daybreak, the journey of instant coffee begins across these fertile highland plantations.
Only the ripest cherries are chosen, capturing the rich potential of every future cup.
Each filled crate becomes a vessel of promise, carrying the essence of the harvest. Movement marks the first step in transformation, guiding the harvest toward primary processing. Here the fruit separates, revealing the beans destined for industrial refinement. Under open skies, the beans dry and mature, ready for the next stage of their transformation. With drying complete, the beans are gathered and secured for their journey toward industrial processing. From remote highlands to modern roads, the beans begin their long path toward transformation. Across miles of terrain, the harvested beans travel toward a facility engineered for precision. Here, raw agriculture meets advanced engineering, the core of instant coffee production. Every load is measured and verified, ensuring accuracy before entering the heart of the factory. Delivered at last, the beans enter the facility where their transformation truly begins. Crossing the threshold, the beans leave the open air and enter the engineered heart of production.
Inside, controlled environments replace the unpredictability of the field, preparing the beans for precision handling.
Every stage begins with controlled access, ensuring cleanliness and consistency before processing begins. Industrial-scale machinery stands ready, designed to strip away impurities with uncompromising precision. Freed from their packaging, the beans enter the system that will prepare them for deep industrial refinement. Drawn forward, the beans enter the purification stage, where raw material becomes refined potential.
We're almost at the intake. Make sure the flow rate is steady.
Tablet shows green across the board, ready for roasting.
The turbidity levels are stabilizing right on target. We can maintain the flow rate.
batch 45B is cleared for shipment.
Yes, safety protocols confirmed.
And this is how modern factories produce instant coffee from start to finish.